Hello everyone, I'm Namitha from Everest Group and with me I have my colleague Sanket. This video is part of an ongoing series on a market which is gaining much traction from healthcare enterprises, which is none other than clinical and care management. In our first video, we had focused on the various functions within clinical and care management and some of the demand trends which we are seeing within these functions. So, continuing our conversation, what do we have in store for our discussion today, Sanket?
Hi Namita, thank you for having me. We will be discussing the push from CMS to improve health outcome for patients and its implications on healthcare enterprises and service providers. Reacting to the pandemic-induced adoption of alternate care delivery models such as virtual health and home-based care, CMS has sought to formalize these models by providing reimbursements through CPT codes assigned for telehealth and remote patient monitoring for government healthcare programs. CMS has also developed a program specifically targeted for chronic care management. Thus, healthcare enterprises and service providers will need to bundle service offerings for chronic disease management and ensure accurate reporting of quality metrics for proper reimbursement. Providing appropriate technology solutions for their member and patient base to deliver telehealth and remote patient monitoring services is also of great importance for enterprises and service providers.
That is quite interesting to hear, Sanket. And other area which is gaining a lot of buzz nowadays is value-based care. Could you maybe touch a little upon that as well?
Sure, Namita. CMS has developed value based care programs to improve the value delivered to all healthcare stakeholders by linking reimbursements and penalties to quality metrics. CMS has targeted specific areas within healthcare through programs such as Hospital Value Based Purchasing Program, Hospital Readmission Reduction Program, Home Health Value Based Purchasing Programs. Enterprises have responded in kind with increasing enrollment by healthcare providers in these value based programs, with California, Texas, New York, Florida, Pennsylvania based providers leading the adoption of value based care. This requires strict adherence to the evaluation metrics and KPIs for proper reimbursement, as well as strong population health data and analytics capabilities for improving overall population health, which is the end goal of the value based care model.
Thank you, Sanket, for showcasing the push which CMS is having toward value-based care models and how this translates towards healthcare enterprises and service providers. So, viewers, thank you for spending the time to watch this video today, and we'll be continuing our discussion in our next video.